Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I've got a fantastic tip that's going to make your life a whole lot easier, especially if you wear glasses. If you've ever struggled with stubborn stains on your glasses that just won't budge, you're in for a treat. Stick around till the end, because I'm about to share a simple yet super effective technique that you'll want to use forever. So let's dive right in. All right, let's talk about the common issue many of us face. Those pesky stains on our beloved glasses. You know what I'm talking about? Fingerprints, smudges, and spots that seem impossible to remove with just a wipe. First things first, grab those glasses that could use a little TLC. Now, let's set the stage for our cleaning ritual. Adjust the sink faucet so that the water flows gently, just like you'd see in the movies. Nice and cinematic. With the water at the perfect flow. Go ahead and wet your glasses under the stream. This will help remove any loose dust and particles, giving us a clean slate to work with. And now it's time to introduce our secret weapon, ordinary dishwashing liquid. Yes, you heard me right. This kitchen superstar is not only great for dishes, but also works wonders on your glasses. Just a tiny squeeze of this liquid gold onto the lens, and we're ready to work our magic. Now, make sure to evenly coat the entire glass surface with the dishwashing detergent. Using your finger gently can help keep your hands feeling soft and fabulous throughout the process. Just with the dishwashing liquid doing its thing, let's give those glasses another rinse under the gentle stream of water. Watch as the dirt and grime start to vanish before your eyes. All right, the hard work is done, but we're not finished just yet. After giving those glasses a thorough washing, it's time to pat them dry. You can use a soft handkerchief or even harness the power of cool air from a dryer. And there you have it, folks. Polished, gleaming glasses that not only look fabulous, but also resist fogging. These babies are ready to give you a crystal clear view of the world. So there you have it, a simple and effective way to keep your glasses spotless and fog-free. With this trick up your sleeve, you can enjoy the world through a clear lens every single day. I hope you found this tip as useful as I have. Thank you for your watching. See you all in the next video. Keep those glasses sparkling.